her. He saw his future in a long white cotton gown sitting there at the church house. She was gonna get baptized. They were gonna have it in her on the ground. So the very next Friday, he got off at the sawmill. He specked his hair back. He had a pocket full of money. She opened up the front door. He was bringing back a possum. As he handed her a daisy, she heard him say, "Hey, let's go dancing to the tune of a $20 bill. They got a fine fiddle band at the barn up on the hill. And by midnight we just might wind up dancing, standing still. By my daddy's lantern light, I'll walk you home." After they got married, it didn't seem like no time. They were saying their goodbyes. He's going to the big world and lifetime later. She's waiting with the people. Said, "Ain't ever gonna give no never no more." Said, "Let's go dancing to the tune of a $20 bill. They got a fine fiddle band at the barn up on the hill. And by midnight we just might wind up dancing, standing still. By my daddy's lantern light, let me walk you home." Got a friends in Ficou and all of his grandkids.